Hello friends, welcome to iExamB. I'm Satakshi, your English faculty at iExamB, and today we'll see some questions that come in English section of IBPS SOAFO and NABARD exams from the topic which in recent years has become a favorite of examiners, that is word swapping. Now, in word swapping, we're given a sentence in which 4 words are highlighted and the position of these highlighted words may or may not have been interchanged or swapped. So, you have to find a pair or pairs which have been swapped or interchanged. Now, first question, if you get word swapping in exams, should you be happy or worried? You should definitely be happy. Reason, these are very easy to score. Yes friends, if you get 5 questions of word swapping and you just follow the basic techniques, you are bound to get full marks, 100% score in these questions, right? Now, what are these techniques? Firstly, read the entire sentence carefully. Some of us are in a habit of reading and we can understand if the sentence is correctly framed or not. For such students, it is very easy to spot such swapped words and find out the correct pair. For example, here in this sentence, just by reading the sentence properly, we can find that some of the words have been swapped, right? Now, in this sentence, the moment we read till used, we realize that the sentence has not been framed correctly, and now we know that what needs to be interchanged to make the sentence meaningful. So, we'll do that immediately, and simultaneously we'll see the options, which option contains the required pair. So, that will be our answer. Now, if you couldn't find the answer easily, no need to worry, right? We'll try another way to attempt this question, and instead of swapping, we'll consider A, B, C, D as blanks, right? And the highlighted words as filler options. We'll try to fill these blanks with these 4 highlighted words. So now, in the first blank, it is written which dash to be, right? So यहाँ क्या आना चाहिए? Which used to be, right? यही बोलते हैं ना? Past में बात करते हुए हुआ करता था, used to be. So this is fixed. Now we know that used A blank में आया, तो A वाला word used की जगह आ जाएगा, right? So converted आ जाएगा used की जगह, right? So A and B will be swapped. Now we can straight away go to the options, and in this particular question we have only one option with AB pair. So that makes it easy for us, right? But अगर 2 options होते तो हम फिर check करते, right? But here let's again see that if we try to fit these remaining 2 words in the blanks, then we would consider the remaining blanks, और अब क्या होगा? यहाँ it has been written has been converted into a dash center dash life along Brahmaputra river. So into a heritage center, all right, meaning a center which showcases heritage, depicting, meaning showing life along Brahmaputra river. So this is how we move along while solving word swapping questions. This is actually the best way. Consider all blanks and then start filling these blanks with highlighted words and then combine it with swapping. See the options and reach your answer, right? Now let's see one more such question and try this by using all the blanks, okay? Now here हम highlighted words की जगह blanks consider करेंगे and highlighted words को as options लेंगे. So now we do have a dash that technology can so and so. Dash में क्या आएगा? Consensus meaning agreement. यहाँ कहा गया है we have something, किसी चीज की बात हो रही है, right? चीज मतलब thing, मतलब noun, right? Name, place, animal, thing. खेलते थे ना बचपन में. Now ये सब noun होते हैं और हमारे पास noun 2 हैं, which are outcomes and consensus. बाकी 2 judicious and robust are adjectives. Outcomes is plural और यहाँ a लिखा है just before the blank, right? So definitely consensus आएगा यहाँ पर, okay? So the moment हमने A की जगह C डाला, we know that C की जगह A आएगा, all right? Now we'll see the options and यहाँ पर 2 options हैं जहाँ पे A और C highlighted हैं, right? We'll solve for the rest of the blanks as well. अब आगे देखेंगे other development dash. अब suppose you're confused कि क्या आएगा, robust या outcomes. So let's leave this blank and see the other one, all right? There should be an independent and dash regulatory mechanism. कैसा regulatory mechanism? Robust, all right, meaning strong regulatory mechanism. So यहाँ robust आएगा, तो B and D swap होंगे, all right. So here the answer is option C, okay. सो यहाँ हमने देखा कि अंडरस्टैंडिंग से कैसे हम वर्ड स्वॉपिंग सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अब आपके पास गूगल है, यूट्यूब है, आप सर्च करेंगे हाउ टू सॉल्व वर्ड स्वॉपिंग क्वेश्चंस, यू विल गेट अ लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन। लाइक चेक करो मॉडिफायर, वर्ब कब आना चाहिए, एडजेक्टिव लिखा है, नाउन आना चाहिए, वर्ब लिखा है। फिर आप सोचेंगे iXambi वाली मैम ने तो ये डिटेल में नहीं बताया। And this is why I discussed briefly how to use grammar to solve these questions. But apply grammar only if your grammar is strong. अगर आपकी grammar strong है, you will very easily be able to spot where parts of speech have been solved, modifiers incorrectly used, etc., etc. But we have to score in exams, and word swapping is one such topic which you can attempt correctly even if you're not a grammar genius. And as we say, iXambi helps you save 35% of your preparation time. सो जहां जो ट्रिक या तरीका बेस्ट काम करता है, हम उसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे सिंपल एंड इफेक्टिव वे में। सो फॉर वर्ड स्वॉपिंग यू डोंट नीड टू बी अ ग्रामर गुरु। अगर आपको बेसिक सेंटेंस फॉर्मेशन की अंडरस्टैंडिंग है तब भी आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। अच्छा, ये हो गई अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात, दैट इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड द सेंटेंस एंड अप्लाई basic concepts, common sense, we can solve these questions. What if the basic concepts are not enough? What if आप words के meaning में confuse हो गए? इसलिए vocabulary is also very important for solving some of these questions. जैसे यहाँ देखें, in this question अगर आपको दोनों words facilitate and felicitate का मतलब नहीं पता है तो आप ये question 100% surety के साथ नहीं कर पाएंगे. So building a good vocab will definitely help you solving these questions correctly. Okay, so now you can try this question also and leave your answer in the comment section below. Also friends, we have some practice questions here attached in the PDF which is given in the description box. तो यहाँ पर आप ये PDF डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, उसमें आंसर्स भी हैं. सो एंड यू कैन डाउनलोड दैट PDF और तब आप उसको सॉल्व करें फॉर मोर प्रैक्टिस. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स. इफ यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव, प्लीज लाइक इट and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done that.